In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if TikTok app always starts in muted mode. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up TikTok app. As you can see, the app has been started now in that muted mode. So all the videos will become muted until we tap right here at this button or until we change volume level using this volume up and volume down buttons. However, now I'm gonna show you how we can easily turn muted mode off. Basically, guys, it is very simple process because all we have to do is just head over to our profile. After that, just tap right here at these three lines and then go to settings and privacy. Now we need to scroll down a bit and tap at playback. And that's where we can easily find open TikTok on mute. All we have to do in order to turn this mode off is just tap at the switcher button next to it. And then if we open up TikTok app, it will start in a regular mode with the playing sound. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.